I'm going to talk today about Complera lawsuits. Our law firm, Shouse Law Group, is bringing lawsuits against Gilead Sciences, the company that makes Complera. The lawsuits really focus on Truvada, or TDF, which is a component of many of the older generation HIV medications, including Complera. Truvada and Complera are known to cause very serious complications, in particular kidney disease and loss of bone density. This happens because the drug pools in the renal tubular, which can cause kidney disease and renal failure. This in turn lowers the body's ability to process phosphate, which causes demineralization of the bones. Finally, this leads to osteoporosis and osteopenia. These conditions put patients at a much greater risk of breaking or fracturing their bones and of losing their teeth. Our lawsuits allege that Gilead had a much safer and better drug called TAF, which it could have brought to the market more than 10 years earlier. TAF is much better absorbed by the body. This makes it more effective at suppressing HIV. And because it's more absorbable, TAF is also much safer and much less likely to cause these terrible kidney and bone injuries. We believe the company could have brought the safer drug to the market in the early 2000s, but it stalled for more than a decade because it wanted to wait until its patent ran out on Truvada. Essentially, it withheld a safer and better medication for more than a decade for economic reasons, putting profits over people. I speak with victims every day from across the country who are suffering the side effects of Complera. Their kidneys are failing. Their teeth are falling out. They have a slight fall on the sidewalk and suffer terrible bone fractures. The people who call me are very ambivalent about the idea of suing the drug maker because they appreciate that this company made a drug that saved their lives. I mean, Truvada and Complera can make the virus undetectable for the rest of your life. And that's really a miracle, because in the early days, getting diagnosed with HIV was a death sentence. Now it's a manageable health condition, and you can go on with your life. But lives could have been saved in a safer way. People's lives could have been saved without causing needless kidney and bone injuries. If you took Complera or any TDF-based medication, and you suffered kidney or bone injuries, we invite you to join our litigation and to say to the drug companies that when it comes to a patient's well-being, people should always be put ahead of profits.